Morning, one and all. Today we'll have a interview with a COVID recovered young engineering student from Visakhapatnam. So let us go ahead with the interview.
Who all were diagnosed corona positive in your family?
In my family, my dad, my mom, and I was tested corona positive.
What all tests did you undergo to know that you are COVID positive?
We took rapid antigen test at Indus Hospital to check whether we are COVID positive.
What was the intervals in which your family members tested positive for COVID?
All of my family members were tested positive on the same day.
Did everyone have the same symptoms or were they different for everyone?
No, everyone didn't have the same symptoms. My dad had high fever, little cough, and his oxygen levels decreased by a bit. My mom was asymptomatic and I had fever.
What were the symptoms you found?
The only symptom I had was fever.
So, did you choose to be in self quarantine or did you get hospitalized?
After taking the corona test, we had taken blood tests also, and after meeting the doctor, she suggested us to be in self quarantine only.
What all measures did you follow once you were self quarantined?
After I getting tested COVID positive, I isolated myself in a room. I made sure that no one came in contact with me and or even tried to come near me. I regularly checked my blood oxygen levels and my heart rate. I did regular breathing exercises. I inhaled hot water and even consumed hot water. I tried to consume good amount of healthy food, and this was continued for a duration of 10 to 12 days.
What all preventive measures were you taking even before you tested COVID positive?
I had taken homeopathic medicine. Along with that, I inhaled hot water, consumed hot water whenever possible. I used to wear mask whenever I went out and use sanitizer as frequently as possible.
Any idea where you might have come in contact with a COVID positive person?
2 weeks before I was tested corona positive, my grandfather had expired and all our relatives stayed together for a course of for a duration of 11 days. So I suspect I might have come in contact with a COVID positive person over there.
Any suggestions or advice that you would give to other people so that they can stay safe in this atmosphere?
I would say that people should stay home unless it is very important for them to go out, and even if they are going out, they should carry mask and sanitizer with them, and they should try to maintain a good amount of distance from the other people to avoid air spread of the disease. And they should do regular breathing exercises, consume hot water, hot food, avoid taking cold substances like cold drinks or ice creams, and I guess they should even avoid eating outside food, and they should even not go for any kind of social parties or like social gatherings. Avoid taking the public transport. Yeah, that's it.
Wear a mask, wash off your hands, keep social distance.
Stay home, stay safe, save India. Thank you all. Bye bye.